All right, what's up, Savages? So today we're out on a remote location and we're gonna test out these U-Loaders by Podavach. They come with these nice carrying cases. This is for the 308. And this is pretty much for everything else that's gonna be for a rifle. Anything that's in 5.56, anything that's in 7.62. So I'm going to load one AK mag, one M4 mag. Fenris is gonna load one AK mag and one M4 mag. We'll see who gets done quicker. All right, I'm gonna call it. I got rounds in my pocket and the other rounds are right here. Your mark, set, go.
I feel like you're cheating because you have more experience with firearms than I do.
And again, you have not used that.
I have not used this, but this might be adding to my gun collection stuff.
I'm about halfway done, bud.
How are you? Alright, check this out. You're halfway done, huh? I think the hardest part about this is going to be the initial setup. One down. I'll tell you what, man, this plastic is actually pretty hardy. It's well-made stuff.
Yeah?
It's got a sweet little magnet that holds that push rod or push block, whatever you want to call it, holds that back. And these rounds do fit in here pretty snug, man. Still halfway done? Or are you working on it?
I'm a little over halfway.
Alright. You still got one more mag to do, though.
I get it.
I'll tell you what, this will vastly increase your shooting time.
Fingers are getting tired pushing these in.
Are they? Could be worse. Could be my fingers getting tired. There we go.
I got the 3 rounds left.
Tell you what, let me help you out, buddy. What do you think?
Oh, look.
Look at that.
Your thing.
Huh?
Look under it.
What? Oh, cool. It's alright.
Well, I'm done. Huh? I guess I'll help you.
Oh, no, you can continue loading if you want. No, I'm just kidding. I want to shoot, so let's save some time. I will say it seems like the 7.62 does fit in here a little bit better.
Okay.
Just because they're fatter rounds. Maybe that's just because it's easier to grab hold of the round.
Maybe. What I like about this is when you're loading up a magazine manually, you're on your own.
Yep.
I'm sitting here helping you, so this is kind of nice.
Right? Alright, 30 rounds. Here goes nothing. Oh, hold on, we got a bind. There we go. There she goes. That took no time at all.
All right. Well, what do you like? How do you like them?
I actually like it a lot. Like I said, it's pretty well built. It's got a little magnet here on the bottom. So that'll stick in and hold it down in there back so you don't get that all tangled up. It functions really smoothly. So I'm impressed. I like it.
Yeah, you know, it seems like it's kind of a simple design.
Yeah.
But, oh, and they have little grips on the bottom.
Nice.
So, yeah.
I mean, it's not something I would carry in my pack in like a bug out situation or something like that, but just going out to the range or at home loading up mags for, you know, self-defense, whatever.
Shooting with the family.
Yeah, this
wife,
is
kids.
This is super awesome.
All right, cool. Well, maybe we'll have my daughter try it out with maybe 10 or 20 rounds later.
Cool.
All right, sounds good. Well, you want to start shooting?
Let's go.
All right.